Utopia, the library and academy for performing arts designed by KAAN Architecten, opened its doors in the Flemish city of Aalst, Belgium in 2018, taking its cue from Thomas More's acclaimed book Utopia, first printed by prominent Aalst citizen Dirk Martens. The 8,000 square meter brick structure incorporates a striking 19th century historic building and rejuvenates the urban landscape, enhancing the characteristic irregular streets and intimate spaces of the city center. Moving through the wide hall, the open interior of the building unfolds from floor to ceiling. Cantilevered into the space are several thick concrete floors that appear to float, hanging at various heights. Each level features bookshelves and reading tables with views of the atrium and the brick façade of the pre-existing building. Utopia locals were asked to help fill the largest bookcase of Aalst, an 11.5-meter high bookcase that stretches towards the ceiling. Residents were given the opportunity to donate a book that had a special value to them, with an entry describing why they gave this particular book. These books cannot be borrowed or consulted, but Utopia is digitizing these titles to make them accessible to the public via the library website.